This activity explores geometry and dance. We'll start with a review of some basic geometry principles. A point is a single location in space. A line connects two points via the shortest path and continues in both directions indefinitely. This image is full of lines. A line segment is a part of a line between 2 points. This image of a gate shows quite a few different line segments. Perpendicular lines are line segments that intersect at an angle of 90 degrees. Can you see the perpendicular lines on this sign? Parallel lines are line segments that never intersect. They are always the same distance apart, just like these two lines on a highway. A right angle is an angle that measures 90 degrees, just like these stairs. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees, so it's smaller, like the point of this pizza. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees, so it's wider, just like the two edges of this spider web. Géométrie variable is a group of French dancers who create geometric patterns and shapes with their bodies. This is an image taken from one of their dances. Can you name this geometric figure? I see their arms come together to make a line. What can you see in this shape? To me, their arms look like they are creating line segments. And what can you see here? Here we have parallel lines. What are they showing us here? These are intersecting lines. And what are these two guys in the front making with their arms? They are showing us perpendicular lines. What type of angles do you see in this image? These are right angles. What angles do you see in this final image? I can see one obtuse angle right at the top, and the angles on the sides are acute angles. For the next part of the activity, you'll need to find a partner or a small group. You can use a friend or a roommate or a family member. If you don't have anyone at hand, you can try to do this on your own as well. What I'd like you to do is look back at the images that we already saw, or look up some videos by this dance group. I'd like you to choose one shape, pattern, or movement that they do in the dance that you're watching and see if you can replicate it with your friends or family members. You'll have to work together and think very carefully about how to use your own bodies to recreate and replicate the shapes that they have made. 4th grade Math Standard 4.G.1 asks 4th graders to draw points, lines, line segments, rays, angles, right, acute, and obtuse, and perpendicular and parallel lines, and to identify these in two-dimensional figures. Dance Standard 4.D.P.7 asks 4th graders to recall and replicate movement sequences with a partner or in group dance activities. By replicating these geometric patterns, the students aren't actually creating something new, but they are learning more about dance and how to use their bodies by mimicking professional dancers.